Today at shopdap.com, we're going to show you how to not make your car wink when turning on the turn signal of your B8.5 S4. Okay, so today we're going to be showing you coding. We're going to be using our OBDeleven, and as we've talked about in the past, the OBDeleven is a device much like a VADCOM. It gives you the ability to change coding or scan faults, diagnostic, all kinds of things on vehicles. As we've talked about in the past, any tutorial you see that relates to VADCOM, that is a functionality in the vehicle itself and is not specific to VADCOM or OBDeleven. It's going to be something that if you see a tutorial, while the interfaces are slightly different for a VADCOM one, the OBDeleven one is going to be very much the same with a few minor intricacies. What we're going to be showing you today is going to be the OBDeleven app that actually does the DRL not turning off when you turn on your turn signals. This is something from the factory in US cars, because when you turn your turn signals on, I believe it's intended for visibility of your turn signal during the day. So, during varying circumstances, but see your local authorities to determine the legalities of any modifications you might do to the lighting of your vehicle. Okay, so we're going to show you going to the app. So we're going to go on the top left here, we're going to go to car, and then we are going to go to apps. So if we scroll down, we are going to find our app for DRL functions with turn signal. Now when you go into this, there's going to be a couple options. There's going to be on, off, and then dim. So right now we're going to turn ours so that it stays on. So we just check that, hold the check mark, success, and then here's our functionality. Now we showed you that functionality. Now we're going to change it to dim and hold that check mark, success. Now we'll show you what that functionality looks like. As you can see, you have a couple options there to work with, so you can change it to whatever your preference is, and we are all set. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more like it.